Welcome back to All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds. This is Jennifer and Alex here at Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. And we've had a blast doing All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds. So we've had a bunch of viewer feedback and comments on this small series that we've done. Late in 2017, early 2018, Ruger came out with the EC9s. Now this looked exactly to me like the LC9s.
Very similar.
It's the exact same almost. But we're going to tell you the differences here in 90 seconds. A couple things I noticed right off the bat with the EC9s compared to the LC9s is the slide. Now this has kind of a gritty finish compared to the smoother finish on the LC9s. What's that called, Jen?
The EC9s actually has a black oxide finish on the slide and barrel as opposed to the bluing on the LC9s.
Yeah, and like I said, it has more of a gritty finish to it. You can definitely tell when you check it out at your local gun shop.
The EC9s also has wider serrations on the slide, and it does have fully integrated sights, which means you can't change them out, but that did cut down on some production costs.
The EC9s has a 7-in-1 capacity, just like the LC9s, and it only comes with one magazine, with an overall length around 6 inches, which only gives you about an inch longer than your standard LCP and 380.
It is also only about an inch taller than the LCP and 380, coming in at 4.5 inches.
And with an overall weight around 17.2 ounces, this is not something that's going to be super heavy for you to carry.
Now, if you live in Massachusetts, this is not the gun for you. As of right now, it is not approved and certified in that state, nor is it approved in California.
And I don't know if the EC9 just has to go through a little bit more testing to be approved in Massachusetts, but it could be something that comes up here in the near future. Now guys, the EC9s and the LC9, you can tell there's not a lot of variation in between the two, but I think Ruger really has his finger on the pulse of the firearms community, coming in around $100 cheaper than their current model at around an MSRP of $299.
As always, guys, if you like what you see, be sure to give us a thumbs up. We can't always fit everything into a 90-second video, so if we missed anything, be sure to leave it in the comments below for everyone else to see, and leave your suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Thanks, guys.